Without self-confidence, life is like a boat lost in the middle of a river, moving but without direction. Intelligence alone is never enough. If fear controls your voice and doubt controls your actions, success will always stay far away. In a crowded city lived a salt merchant with his wife and two sons. The younger son was cheerful and confident, but the elder son was painfully shy. He avoided eye contact, spoke softly, and often stayed silent even when he knew the answers. People misunderstood his silence as foolishness. Some even tricked him because they knew he would not argue back. His father, frustrated by his timid nature, often scolded him harshly. With every insult, the boy's confidence shrank further. In school, fear followed him everywhere. During exams, his hands trembled. He forgot answers he had studied. Slowly, he fell behind in his studies. As years passed, his father asked him to help in the shop. The boy agreed, hoping to earn his father's approval, but his nervousness caused mistakes. He struggled to speak confidently with customers. One afternoon, when his father was away, a group of dishonest men came to the shop. They lied, saying his father had sent them to collect all the salt sacks. Too afraid to question them, he allowed them to take everything. When his father returned and saw the empty shop, his anger exploded. He shouted hurtful words and told his son to leave and never return. Broken and ashamed, the young man walked to the riverbank. Tears filled his eyes. He believed he was useless. As he stepped toward the water, ready to give up, an old man grabbed his arm and pulled him back. "Why did you save me?" the boy cried. "I am worthless." The old man looked at him kindly and said, "Your life is precious. Failure is not the end. Fear is." The boy confessed his deepest insecurity, that he was shy, uneducated, and hated by his own father. The wise old man invited him home and offered him a challenge: 3 tasks in 3 days. On the first day, he had to speak to 10 strangers. Though terrified, he tried. Some ignored him, but he kept going. By evening, he had completed the task. On the second day, he had to teach 10 children about the importance of water. Nervous but determined, he spoke with trembling hands. To his surprise, the children listened. On the third day, he had to return home and apologize to his father. With courage he never knew he had, he went back. He apologized sincerely and promised to change. Seeing his son's transformation, the father gave him another chance. When the boy returned to the old man and asked for the secret of success, the old man smiled. "Your enemy was never shyness," he said. "It was fear. The world treats you the way you present yourself. When you believe in yourself, others believe in you too." Years later, the once shy boy became a respected businessman, not because he was the smartest, but because he defeated fear. Confidence is built step by step, and courage begins the moment you decide not to run.